Do you wake up tired, even after 8 hours of sleep? Feel overwhelmed by even the simplest tasks? Or maybe you've lost motivation for things you once loved. You might think you're just in a rut, but the truth is far deeper. You could be burning out and not even know it. In today's video, we'll break down the 3 hidden signs of burnout, why they often go unnoticed, and how you can reverse burnout naturally before it takes over your health, your work, and your life. Introduction. Welcome back to the channel where we turn science-backed health insights into real-life solutions. Today, we're diving into the psychological, emotional, and physical signals your body sends when it's on the brink of burnout. Burnout isn't just about feeling tired. It's a clinical condition recognized by health experts, and it can lead to serious issues like hormonal imbalances, immune dysfunction, anxiety, and even depression. But most people miss the early signs, chalking them up to stress or a bad week. That's why this video is a must-watch if you're constantly pushing through the day, relying on caffeine, or feeling disconnected from your passion. Sign number 1. You're emotionally numb or detached. You're not crying, you're not yelling, you're just checked out. This is one of the most overlooked signs of burnout, emotional detachment. You stop caring about your goals. You don't feel joy in things that once made you excited. You might even feel like you're living on autopilot, going through the motions. Why it happens? When your nervous system is overstimulated for too long, it shifts into emotional protection mode. Your brain reduces emotional sensitivity to avoid being overwhelmed, but that also blocks joy, connection, and purpose. How to fix it? Create emotional space. Reduce exposure to high-stress input, social media, news, toxic people. Reintroduce micro-joys. Start each morning by doing something enjoyable that lasts no longer than 5 minutes. This helps rewire the brain for positive emotion. Use grounding practices. Daily nature walks, light stretching, or even breathwork can help the nervous system feel safe again. Sign number 2. You constantly feel physically exhausted, no matter how much you sleep. This isn't just being tired. It's a deep, bone-level fatigue that sleep doesn't fix. Why it happens? Burnout is rooted in chronic cortisol dysregulation. Your adrenal glands get stuck in overdrive, eventually causing them to crash. This impacts your ability to regulate energy, blood sugar, and even brain function. You might experience morning brain fog, cravings for sugar or salty snacks, reliance on caffeine just to function, irritability or anxiety by midday. How to fix it? Support your adrenals. Add foods rich in B vitamins, magnesium, and vitamin C. Balance your blood sugar. Every meal should include protein, healthy fat, fiber to avoid energy crashes. Protect your mornings. Avoid checking emails or stressful input in the first hour after waking up. Your cortisol awakening response depends on it. Pro tip. Try a 10-minute sunlight exposure within an hour of waking to support your circadian rhythm and natural energy boost. Sign number 3. You've become cynical or negative, even if you're not normally. That way you find yourself thinking, what's the point? It'll never get better. People are just too much right now. Cynicism is a psychological defense. When you're overstressed and undersupported, your brain shields itself from disappointment by becoming skeptical. This is a massive red flag, especially if you're typically optimistic or energetic. Why it happens? When dopamine is depleted and the brain experiences chronic stress, it alters perception. It's not that your life got worse. It's that your ability to see solutions is biologically impaired. How to fix it? Neuroplasticity journaling. Write down one small win at the end of each day. This retrains your brain to find what's working. Cut hidden dopamine drains. Reduce multitasking, social scrolling, and comparing yourself to others online. Reintroduce purpose. Even 15 minutes a day on something creative, helpful, or joyful can reignite motivation. If any of these signs hit close to home, it's not too late. Burnout isn't weakness. It's your body's signal that something needs to change. Start with small steps. Nourish your body. Guard your boundaries. Reconnect with what matters to you. Burnout recovery isn't about taking a vacation. It's about rebuilding how you function daily. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might be struggling, and subscribe for weekly health and mindset strategies backed by science. Tap the bell so you never miss out on the content your body and mind need.